Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to support your favorite creators in Telegram? It's easy, just use Telegram stars. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to buy stars for yourself, step by step. Let's go. Launch the app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open settings. Scroll down until you see My Stars. It's right there in the menu. Tap on it. You'll see two options, buy for yourself or send as a gift to a friend. We're buying for ourselves, so tap Buy for Myself. Then select Buy More Stars. Now choose the package of stars you want. There are several options, from small to large bundle. The price depends on your region and currency. You can even check how many stars you'll get per dollar or euro. Great for budgeting. Payment is fast and secure. You can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or your bank card. Best part? Telegram encrypts all payment data. No risks, no third parties involved. Once you confirm the purchase, boom, stars appear instantly in your account. Now you can send gifts and stories, support channels you love, unlock premium content, use stars in many apps and games. It's that simple! If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Telegram tips, hidden features, and mobile guides. Let me know in the comments which channel would you support with stars. See you in the next one.